Statement of affairs. We are under single entry and incomplete records. How would you solve it? So we start with the statement of affairs. For you, in order to do a statement of affairs, oberanga tebakuwadde opening balance. Opening balance has no any other name, it's opening balance. So in your question, if you don't see opening balance, that means you have to do the statement of affairs. How does it look like? The statement of affairs looks like a financial position or statement of financial position. The statement of financial position starts with non-current assets. Here cost, there is depreciation, there is net book value. So in order to find our opening capital and a statement of affairs, you need to first find the total of assets and the total of liabilities. In other words, opening capital is the difference between total assets and total liabilities. So you list your assets all and also list your liabilities, you subtract in order to get the opening capital. Under this statement of affairs, you don't calculate anything like depreciation, what. You write the digits the way they are because this statement of affairs is just a picture of the financial position or a statement of financial position. That's why you don't calculate anything here. You write the digits the way they are given in the question. So non-current assets, we have machinery, we have furniture, we have fittings, we have fixtures, we have motor vehicle. Those are all under non-current assets. We also have current assets. Remember, for you to get the total assets, it's current assets plus current non-current assets plus current assets. So the current assets, we have cash at bank, cash at hand, prepaid. Prepaid may be prepaid rent, prepaid income, prepaid insurance. Anything prepaid is an asset. Anything received is an income. And anything accrued. Accrued is a liability and due is an expense. You have to follow those 4 things. Prepaid is what? An asset. Received is an income. Due is an expense and accrued is a liability. So you record your amounts this side. So under this non-current assets, motor vehicle can depreciate. In case in your question they have given you like, let me write, like motor vehicle amount 200,000. Then after the rate depreciation of motor vehicle like 100,000. Remember I told you in statement of affairs you write the digits the way they are. So under here motor vehicle, I'm going to record this amount. This depreciation amount is just going to help me in the financial statement of financial position. Here you write this amount, so you don't write the depreciated amount. So we record our liabilities. We go on our liabilities. Remember, in order to get opening capital is total assets minus total liabilities. It's under statement of affairs. For you to make this statement of affairs in your question, opening capital. So we go on our liabilities. I told you anything accrued is a liability. Loan, bank overdraft. You record your digits, your amounts. You get the total. So your opening capital is total assets minus total liability. That's opening capital. In case you're given opening capital, that means you're not supposed to do the statement of affairs. Remember I told you these are the 4 steps of calculations under single entry and incomplete records. But it's not a must that all those 4 steps are followed. It depends on the question. So in order for you to make a statement of affairs, obeera nga tebakwadde opening capital. We go on cash book.